Are you taking movies or still pictures?
Yeah, I'm taking movies.
Right on. Okay. There's that. And then on the other side, there's a clearance for this bracket right in here, which is held in place by just that tiny guy. So
Okay.
that comes off. And so now, the moment of truth here.
That snap ring. Put a close-up lens on this here.
Thanks. Yeah?
We're going over to Natalie.
No?
Yeah.
No? Mama, I heard Mama say you are not allowed to go. So you have to do some okay with her.
Even more.
Okay.
Welcome to my life. Oh, you got one.
And voila.
Yeah, so I think if we were to put a spacer on there, boy, look at that little molybdenum disulfide on there is my guess. Could just be aluminum powder from it grinding down.
I think it's just aluminum powder.
Oh, God. So,
I don't think there's any lubricant on that at all. Could be wrong.
no, it feels like a
Yeah,
little
you may be right. There's
slicker
like a
than
little
yeah.
graphite on there. Probably not as expensive as molybdenum.
yeah.
So that is your. So herein lies your
Wobble on the axis.
Your wobble on the
yeah,
axis.
there's no doubt. I mean, you know, and there isn't enough room for a spring washer, wave washer that I see. I think it could be shimmed, but extending, having a support external to it might be good to just look at that as the driver